Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple, and in this video we are learning about the C and A combination. This both combination can help you know how much comfortable does writer feel socially as well as at home. There are some writers who at social life feel very anxious, yet at home they are very comfortable, like introverts. There are some writers who socially feel very comfortable, yet at home they are feeling very uncomfortable, right? Extroverts, right? There are some extroverts as well. Ambivert, they feel comfortable in both environments. Now there are some writers who are opposite as well. So for example, these are the writers who feel uncomfortable socially as well as at home. So something bad is happening with them, because of that they are feeling like this. Very rarely found. If you find this both handwriting combination in one handwriting, then to ask them what is happening with them is something not good. Okay. These other writers, on the other hand, are lazy people, lazy socially and lazy at home in their comfort zone. Right? There are some writers who socially feel very comfortable, yet at home they are very lazy. Some writers are opposite, while there are some writers as well who socially feel very anxious and at home very comfortable. So you can find different combinations. You just have to know the basic meaning of two letters, which is C and A. Okay, if you know the basic meanings, then you can yourself can create combinations. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I believe you learned something new. This is an interesting combination, C and A, as it help you know where the writer feel comfortable. So if writer is feeling comfortable at home, then you can talk to them about their home environment, etc. Then they are going to talk you about they are going to talk about it with you in a much more comfortable manner as opposite to the social life. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep going. If you want to take notes, you can take notes from here.